Hey there guys, and welcome to my channel. As we all know that the Realme 7 and the Narzo 20 Pro gets a very similar specification. The only difference is that the Narzo 20 Pro gets a 65 watt fast charging, whereas the Realme 7 gets an IMX682 camera sensor. Even the pricing of both the phones are exactly the same. So in this video, we are going to compare the Realme 7 or the Narzo 20 Pro with latest Poco's offering, that is Poco X3. If you end up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So without doing any further ado, let's get the video started. Now starting with the heart of the matter, that is the processor. Both the Realme 7 and the Narzo 20 Pro gets a MediaTek Helio G95 processor, which is obviously an upgrade over the G90T that was presented on various devices like Redmi Note 8 Pro, the Realme 6, the Realme 6i, etc. Now those devices were so good in terms of performance, and so is the case with new Realme 7 and the Narzo 20 Pro. The only problem with the MediaTek Helio G90T was it tends to heat up a bit while gaming, while charging, while taking photos, etc. Now MediaTek claims that they have fixed these issues with the new G95 chipset. Now don't get me wrong, because the MediaTek Helio G95 is still a processor which is based on 12 nanometer technology. Moreover, Realme has introduced a new carbon fiber cooling technology with the new Realme 7 and the Narzo 20 Pro, which is supposed to keep the temperature a bit on lower side. Hence the heating issues on the new Realme devices are more or less fixed. Now coming to the Poco X3, the Poco X3 comes with the all-new Snapdragon 732G chipset. Now it is supposed to be the successor of Snapdragon 730G, which was presented on Poco X3. Snapdragon 732G is a processor which is based on 8 nanometer technology, hence it is more efficient than the MediaTek Helio G95 processor. Hence the performance of the Poco X3 is also going to be excellent. But the question is, which one is a better chipset, the Snapdragon 732G or the MediaTek Helio G95? Well, in terms of CPU, the Snapdragon 732G is a bit better, but in terms of GPU, the MediaTek Helio G95 is better. So in terms of performance, both the phones are going to perform more or less the same. Coming to the display, the Poco X3 comes with a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with 120Hz refresh rate, and the Realme 7 and the Narzo 20 Pro both comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate. The display on the Poco X3 is a bit bigger and provides better refresh rate, which will provide a better overall experience. On the other hand, the quality of the display, the peak brightness, the pixel density, etc. are a bit better on Realme phones. So it depends on your personal choices. Coming to the optics, the Narzo 20 Pro gets an 48 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GW1 sensor, whereas the Poco X3 and the Realme 7 gets an 64 megapixel IMX682 sensor. Hence, in terms of primary camera, the Poco X3 and the Realme 7 will perform a bit better. But in terms of wide angle camera, the Poco X3 has a better wide angle camera. Now in terms of front camera, both the Realme 7 and the Narzo 20 Pro gets a 16 megapixel selfie shooter, whereas the Poco X3 gets a 20 megapixel selfie shooter. Hence the front camera on the Poco X3 is a bit better. Now in terms of battery, the Poco X3 gets a huge 6000 mAh battery along with 33 watt fast charging. On the other hand, the Realme 7 gets a 5000 mAh battery along with 30 watt fast charging. And lastly, the Narzo 20 Pro comes with an even smaller battery, that is 4500 mAh battery. But wait, guess what? The Realme 7 and the Poco X3 misses on 65 watt fast charging, which is presented on the Narzo 20 Pro, which is insane considering the price point. Now coming to the conclusion, which one you should buy? Well, if your budget is strictly under 15,000 rupees, then going with the Narzo 20 Pro or the Realme 7 is your only option. At the price point of 16,000 rupees, if you want a phone with premium design, better cameras and bigger battery, then go for Realme 7. On the other hand, if the 65 watt fast charging is what you are excited about, then go for Narzo 20 Pro. If you can increase your budget by 1000 rupees, then go and get the Poco X3 because it costs 16,000 rupees, and at that price point, it is an all-rounder phone. So we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. If you end up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because if you share and like this video, it will help my channel to grow. Thank you for watching.